Right, today, what we got today, Jack?
Pokemon cards.
Pokemon cards with Jack today is people. So what we got? Tell everyone what we got. Was it a booster pack? What is it?
Tin.
Pokemon tin. Tis the Pokemon trading card game. But what cards are in it, Jack? They're not like cards that I used to have. What are they?
The V's and VMAXs.
The what?
V's and VMAXs.
Right, them. I'm only used to olden days ones. 2 minutes, I'll show you. Right, we're back in the room. This is my old Pokemon binder thing. Right, and all of these I know about these. Look, like look, we got a shiny Charizard. Yeah, boy. Blastoise, Wartortle, Machamp. We've got a Dark Charmeleon, Dark Charmeleon, Dark Charizard, Dark Blastoise, and all these. And then wait there, dude. Then we've got Ancient Mew. These are all back in my era. We've got a Clefable. We've got a Golem. But the only thing is, when I got these out of the attic, what did Noah do?
Fuck them.
Yeah, he went for a ride around the block, right, with these all upside down, so all these were full of my old cards from 95, bro, from 95, and he'd emptied them all the way around the estate, so you can imagine all kids were having a whale of a time, and, well, I wasn't. If I could cry, I would, but I can't, so that's, yeah, so, but we've still got a few left, haven't we? We've got the Electroid, the Raichu, Dark Weezing. What else we got? I've got any other good ones in here. Dark things, oh look, we've got a Nidoking. These are all the Pokemon cards that I remember from back in there. Oh look, there's a shiny Zapdos, look. Right, so, and then, oh look, there's a shiny Gyarados. I don't have a clue how much all these are worth, but there's a Wigglytuff. There's an image of Wigglytuff. Look, it looks like you. Look at him.
No, it does not.
Yeah, it does.
No, it does
Wiggly. That does not. Does your sis look like a Wigglytuff?
No.
Wigglytuff. And then, oh, we've got a Poliwhirl shiny. All these, I don't have a clue how much they're worth, but
I need that and that.
oh, that's not even a shiny one, is it? Vaporeon.
I need that and that.
Oh, there's a shiny Ninetales. But yeah, oh yeah, there's a Snorlax and a Lapras. These were all from when I was younger, but look, all these were full as well before Noah decided to go for a ride with the binder upside down. Kids were like, woohoo! Free Pokemon cards. But anyway, so now they've gone from them. That was my Pokemon binder. Let's have a look at yours, Jack. Right, you're going to have to explain this to me because I don't know. Right, so what are these? So they all look weird to me, people.
VXs.
The what?
VXs.
VXs. What does VX mean? What's that?
VX, not VX.
Oh, sorry, what was it?
VX.
Right, what's that mean?
It's better than...
They're not better than mine. Mine are better than his. Mine are better than his.
These are better than that.
Are they? Right, go on then. What else you got? Let's have a little gaze. He's got all these. Oh, there's a Drowsy, I know that one. There's a Muck, but it looks way different from when I used to collect them. Go on, what else you got? There's a Hypno. Right, go on then. Oh, there's a Mew. Mewtwo.
There's a Mew and that's a Mewtwo.
Right, go on then. I don't know if these are good or bad or anything. They're all good. Well, the boy reckons they're all good. Go on then, show everyone. We've got all them. Which one's your best ones in here? Right, go on, keep going.
I don't know, probably my Charizard page.
So these are these the old ones from 95? Where does it say? 2016. Oh no, that's not that. Go on then, next, go on. What else we got? Right, go on then.
I've got the Pikachu's on that page.
Pikachu's, right, go on then. Got all these.
There's
Go on then. There's a what?
Machamps.
Machamps. Where?
Machamps and Machop.
Machamp. See, this is where I get lost. A Starmie by any chance? They look way different to my Pokemon cards. Go on, keep going. Keep going. Come on then.
Which Pokemon cards?
Yeah, Weeping Bell, go on. Yeah, I know that one. Oh, is it Detour? Who did you get that one off?
You.
Huh?
You.
Yeah, and guess what? I don't have one now. Because I had 3, didn't I? I give you 1, I had 2, 1 for spares, and guess what? Noah. Right, go on. Tangler. Ghastly. Who's that, Mummy? Go on. What else you got? Go on, keep going. Jesus Christ, how many pages you got? Go on. Go on then. Come on, quick flick through because we want to get into this pack, don't we? Oh, I know these ones. Electro. Oh, Electrode. Go on then. Hello, Noah. What happened to Daddy's Pokemon cards? Did you go for a ride on your bike with them? Ah, yeah. Little. Yes, far-fetched. Little far-fetched, yeah, go on. Ghastly. Coughing, I mean. Right, come on, dude. I want to see what's in here. Poliwhirl, Poliwag. Ghastly.
That's my big card.
What the hell's that? Right, come on, shall we get into this? Anyway, so, today is unboxing of this. Right, go on, Jack, get into it, let's have a look. Oh. Brand new box. Let's have a look. Wait there. Before you open it, what you hoping for? What cards you want?
I know I'm getting that.
Yeah, you know you're already getting that, but that's what you needed, didn't you?
Yeah.
So what's the best? What's the best card that you could hope for in this pack? You don't. Well, go on then. Let's tell me. What? Charizard? What? V. Right, go steady. Good luck. Ooh! Good look at that. They didn't give it any tips, did the people? Look at that. It's we're going to have to put it straight in your binder so it's PSA 10 air. Right, put that over there. Noah, do not touch. Oh, look how many packs of cards is there?
4 or 3.
Is it in the same? Have you seen people open them where you do the free card trick? Where you take 3 from the back and put them to the front? Is it the same way as this?
Yeah.
Is it? Right, let's do it then, people. No spying, Jack. Don't bend the cards, man. They might be worth something one day, like mine were until Noe got his hands on them. So glad that you never lost my Charizard though, bro. Huh? Good job you didn't lost that.
You got me.
Oh, right, go on then. So, is it right? So, wait. 1, 2, 3. Right, go on. Right, let's have whoa, wait there. Right, go on then. So, go on, we've got a what? I don't know what. Yeah, that. Go on, keep going. We got that. Sorry, people. Hold it up so because there's a light shining on them. Right, go on then. Go on, see if keep tight hold of them. Look, you see, you're giving it away. Right, go on then. Do you need any of these? Execute.
I don't think so.
Let's hold it this way, like that. No, right, go on. Have we got a shiny or what? Oh, it's got. Is that it?
Yeah.
Energy. Right, so, is that your shiny? You got a shiny trainer. Is it a shiny?
Yeah.
Right, next, Jack, next. Remember, bend your cards. Oh, there you go on. What? Right, come on and do. Right, so get rid of that one. So do the free thing. Is it right? 1, 2, 3. Now put them all together so you don't see. No, put them all together. Look, so you don't see over the top, and turn it round. Right, go on then. What you got there? Right, go on. You got that one. I'm useless at this, people, because I don't have a clue about these new ones. You need that one.
Yeah.
Right, go on then. Dude, hold them over here so we can see, yeah? Right, go on then. Which one's going to be the best one?
Oh, no.
Is it going to be... Oh, is it as big as ever? Wigglypuff. Oh, there! Do we need it? There's a shiny, bro. What is it? A clang. a clang, people. Is that good? Is it bad? I don't have a clue. Do you need it?
Yeah.
Do you need it? There you go. There's your clang. What's your other one? Right, fire. Right, go on then. Put them down there. Next packet. Next packet. Sorry, first video we done on these Pokemon cards, and we will get better, but for now we're just going to be noobs, aren't we? Now you give me the booster packs from when I started. Them bad boys, them bad boys. I'd smoke his all. I bet you 10 I can still smoke you my old Pokemon. I don't know if he's doing it right or wrong or not. Wait, I don't know. Come on. Come on. Ah, another shiny! Do you need that one? So skit. What does it say? So skint. That's me at minute. Oh no, sure skit. Sure skit. Is that a good one or a bad one or what? Is it good or what? Is it good or bad? Talk to me. Good.
I don't need that.
Then that one. Right, how many packs you got left? One left. Come on then, get it off, son. Get it off, last one. Come on, let's get this. What do you want? Charizard X2 or something? Yeah. A what?
Charizard
Charizard
Z.
Z. V. Don't bend them. Wrong way. Oh, turn them round. Oh, are you ready? Right, get rid of that one. I do the 3 thing. 1, 2, 3. Turn around. Right, go.
That's it.
Right. Over a bit. This way a bit. Right, go on next. 2, 1. Onyx. Last one, next one, is it going to be shiny? Is it? Is it a shiny? Yeah! Do you need it? What is it? A Kindra. It's a Kindra, bro. Did you need that one?
Yeah.
We got a shiny Kindra. Got a shiny Kindra. Do we need it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! I don't know if it's good or bad, but he doesn't have it, so it's good. It is good, people, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, now, go very careful. Let's put them into your binary in order here. Right, just a little quick one today to let you know, people, we are still kicking about. Hard times and all that schnizzle, but the boy's happy. Yeah, are you happy, boy? Are you happy with that? Good. So he's going to sort his Pokemon cards out. And that's it, so thanks for
Watching.
yeah, mate! Come on, Pokemon, Pokemon.